This is the Pheasant-tailed Jacana. It is a type of bird found in a few areas of Asia. And these guys are actually quite interesting. This is the breeding plumage. Most other jacanas don't have a kind of distinct breeding plumage that is different from their regular. So they only have that very long, distinctive tail feather during mating season, as well as the kind of yellowish part on the back of their necks and the very white front. They're the only species of jacana that migrate over long distances and can be found at different parts of the year, from the Himalayas over to India, over to some places in China, and down into some areas of Indonesia as well, depending on the time of the year. They've even been spotted quite rarely as vagrants as far as the Middle East in areas like Qatar. They also have quite a unique social structure and breeding strategy. These birds exhibit what is called polyandry, which is the opposite of polygamy, where the female will mate with multiple males and the males will take care of those eggs. Usually this is seen in the opposite direction, where a male will mate with multiple females and the female will take care of the eggs, but it is the opposite in actually a few different bird species, including the pheasant-tailed jacana. The females lead the courting behavior and will do the mating displays and songs in order to gain the interest of the male. Then after mating and laying eggs, the male will take care of the nest and the female will go off and do it all again with a new male. Like other species of jacana, the pheasant-tailed jacana has those real big feet. This allows them to easily walk and hang out on the floating vegetation that they prefer, and they spend most of their time there, breeding there, and getting all of their food from there, which includes things like invertebrates such as mollusks and insects, and occasionally some plant matter as well, but less commonly. They are quite a social bird and typically hang out in flocks of up to 100 and sometimes even perform mobbing behavior on raptors, where they will just kind of harass something like a bird or an eagle until it leaves the flock and nests alone.